Running this 2002, they call it a 2003, manufactured in 2002, Yamaha 225 V6 EFI 4-stroke. I just got done doing a whole bunch of work to this motor. New water pump kit, new spark plugs, new thermostats, clean out the inner and outer thermostat housings, new anodes, new anode grommets, cleaned out the internal and external housings on that, new gear oil, new anode on the bottom side down there, new motor oil, new oil filter, put the date and engine hours on it. The motor has 148 hours on it. New fuel water separating filter on the motor side. Like there's more than that, but yeah, water pump, gear oil, motor oil, oil filter, anodes on the engine block, anode on the bottom side, spark plugs, thermostats. Oh, I rigged up the shift and throttle cables. A whole bunch of work. This is on the awesome North River boat. It's about 740 right now. This motor's been had to do a lot of cleaning. Nothing really went smoothly on this motor. So I'll rev it up. That's that. Put in reverse real quick. There's reverse. I'm not going to put it in forward because it's going to shoot all the damn water out. But yeah, whole bunch of work to this motor. Tomorrow I plan on fully going through this 2002. They call it a 2003 Yamaha 15 horse. But I had to get all the stuff with this one first. So yeah, this one's running good. I'll be on the next one tomorrow.